I got an overwhelming number of comments saying I should add Mr. Frog to the collection, so today we're gonna make DJ spit. We're gonna grab him from the printer and prep him for paint. But first we gotta take these hair pieces and attach them. He's a light orange yellow with blue jeans on and a bunch of stubble. He has red eyes, presumably from ripping Fent all day.
Look at this guy.
I can't believe I'm doing this, but I gotta paint his nips on, but I'm not upset about it. This should be it for painting him, but for some reason the Smiling Friends wiki gave him huevos. But I think I'm gonna leave that off. Don't forget to paint his normal hair. Speaking of leaving things off, sad to say they left his Blicky off the 3D model, but we can take one from Chucky's Accessories and finish the look. This is one of my favorite side characters from the show, and it's such a shame they got rid of him. I can't tell you how many times I've quoted him in various situations. Rest in peace, DJ Spit. These modern rappers are always gone too soon. You may have left the world, but you'll never...